Guys, we're in for a treat today. So we're going to do a little vinyl repair. These two pieces, you can see those two squares got some damage in them. So what we're going to do is take this piece of sheet vinyl right here. We're going to set it on top of this, cut this out, make the repair, and it's going to look beautiful. So stay tuned. So you see now it actually looks like it's already repaired, but it's not. You can just see that I've got the matching vinyl overlapped, and this is pretty easy to do because you know all your grout lines are already here. You take your exact pattern and match it up. It's pretty simple. So you can see now, just a nice, perfectly cut little rectangle right in the floor. And I'm just gonna go ahead, hit that with a little bit of adhesive, and we're gonna go ahead and throw our piece in there, push the refrigerator back, and get the seam sealing on. Okay, so we've got it all repaired, all lined up. I'm just gonna kind of scroll through, you can kind of see everything. So what I'm gonna do now, what I'm gonna do now is go ahead, push the refrigerator back, and then I'll seam seal all of this here so it doesn't come apart, and it kind of welds it shut. All right, stay tuned. Thanks again. So I got the refrigerator pushed back. I also marked out with some blue tape on the floor where the seam sealer was so the homeowner did not walk in it. And another job complete. Thanks for watching, guys.